If you've got event tickets or boarding passes, here's how to add, use, and even share them in Apple Wallet. First of all, add a ticket or pass, and there are a few ways to do this. Tap Add to Apple Wallet in an email, text, or app like Safari or Mail, or scan a QR code at the venue or airline app that supports Apple Wallet. Next, use your pass. When you get to your event or gate, just double press the side button to open wallet. Tap the pass and hold your phone near the reader or scan the code. And some passes can be shared. For that, open the pass in wallet and tap the share icon, then choose airdrop, messages, or mail. And that's all. With Apple Wallet, your tickets and passes are always ready and easy to access, use, or share. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.